Every homeowner in the greater Houston area needs a roofing maintenance checklist to ensure their roof lasts as long as possible. One of the most important things you need to do is to get regular roof inspections from professionals. This helps you catch and address issues quickly so they don't turn into something worse. During a roof inspection, you can check to make sure that your attic is properly ventilated and that the roof flashing on your home is sealed. Ensuring that these two aspects of your roof are in the best condition helps prevent issues with water damage and more. You should also remember to keep your roof clean, including your gutters. Clogged gutters can't efficiently redirect water, which can lead to water damage. It can also promote the growth of algae and moss. If you notice that your gutters are clogged or algae and moss have grown on your roof, promptly address the issue. Don't forget to trim your trees. This will help keep your roof safe during storms and prevent your gutters from being clogged. If you need a free roof inspection or roof repairs, call the professionals at Houston Roofing and Construction at 832-237-3737 today.